Main components and subsystems of the HP Jet Fusion 5200 and 5600 build unit. The material loading inlet allows material insertion from the processing station. The handle is used to steer the build unit. The safety lid is used to connect the build unit to the reusable material collector. The overflow trays collect the material that falls out. The recoating wiper blade cleans the recoating unit while printing. The vane feeders provide a portion of the material raised by the feed trays, so that the recoating unit can distribute it to form build layers. The new design of the 5200 vane feeders integrates the functionality of the mesh shaker, as they prevent powder caking. The feed trays raise the material from the build chamber to the vane feeders. The build unit platform provides a surface on which to create the material layers and move the build layers down so that the new ones can be created on top. The build unit filters ensure cooling and keep the electronic area free from powder. The material lid provides access to the interior of the build unit. Finally, the build unit socket provides electricity to the build unit.